We start by the north side. Porta Messina is the entrance to Main Street Corso Umberto, opened 1808 by King Fernando di Borbone. And we arrive to Palazzo Corvaia. It's a medieval palace built 1400, named by oldest and most famous Taorminese family. Today it hosts the tourist info office. We have arrived to Piazza Aprile. It's the central part of Corso Umberto, with amazing view to the sea, Giardini Naxos and Etna. It's named after the 9th April 1860, when it was announced that Garibaldi has landed in Marsala on the west side of Sicily and started his conquest of Sicily. But the news were false. Garibaldi actually came 1 month later, but the name remained the same and the story too. Here also find a Wunderbar, and it was famous for its old school Hollywood guests. Here is also the famous clock tower, built in Greek Byzantine style and was destroyed by half by the French in 1676, but rebuilt by locals 1679. Inside there is very nice mosaics of the Madonna holding a child, and it was done 1966.